Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen-style Maggi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a packet of Maggi noodles, about 2 cups of water, and any vegetables you enjoy, such as carrots or bell peppers. Don't forget your aromatics like a clove of garlic, a small piece of ginger, and a quarter of an onion. Finally, have your flavor enhancers ready: a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of chili flakes. Now, let's get cooking. Start by bringing about 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Once the water is bubbling, add your finely chopped garlic, ginger, and onion. Let these cook for about 1 minute to release their fragrant aromas. Then, gently break your Maggi noodle cake into the boiling water. Ensure the noodles are fully submerged so they cook evenly and quickly. This is where the magic happens. Once the noodles begin to soften, stir in the Maggi Tastemaker packet and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Next, add your prepared vegetables, allowing them to cook until they are tender crisp, usually for 2 to 3 minutes. For an authentic ramen feel, consider adding a perfectly soft-boiled egg and a sprinkle of fresh green onions right before serving. Your delicious ramen-style Maggi is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the hot noodles and broth into your favorite serving bowl. For an extra layer of flavor and a wonderful aroma, drizzle a teaspoon of sesame oil over the top. You can also add a dash more chili flakes if you like it spicy. Remember to check the description for links to some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.